What if you could easily add ChatGPT or artificial intelligence to your make scenarios without the need to using any external tools? So in this video, I'm going to show you a new technique called Make AI Toolkit. This module is going to allow you to embed artificial intelligence into your data manipulation, analysis, translation, etc. So let's dive right in. So the first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to be in make.com. I'm going to show you how to do this in a new scenario, and then I'm going to show you real-world applications with existing scenarios. So there is something called the Make AI Toolkit. So the Make AI Toolkit is a series of modules. Well, it's a module with a series of options, which allows you to do the following things. You can ask anything, extract information to a text, categorize text, translate text, identify language, summarize text, analyze sentiments, standardize text, and chunk text. So, for example, we can ask anything. The first thing you need to do is a connection, which is going to be the Makes AI provider connection. The model, you can select anything, small, medium, or large, for example, medium. And then I'm going to give this text. So, what day is today? And I'm going to run this module. You can see here the answer, it's Monday. Now, instead of ask anything, let me see another way of using it. For example, translate text. Okay, I'm going to show you the translate text. So model, again, I'm going to select any, say, hoy día es lunes. I'm going to translate from Spanish to English. Y son las 8. Okay, so I know this means today it's Monday and it's 8 in the morning. Now the target language, I'm going to put it as English. And then I'm going to run this module only so you know how this module works in practice. There it is. Today is Monday and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Perfect. This is exactly what I need. Now let's say that I want something else. Let's say that I want summarize text. You can also summarize text. So I'm going to give you a script from Claude, and I'm going to ask it to summarize it. So I'm going to copy and paste all of this, which ironically, this was the script I was going to use, but I went off cuff. I'm going to put it here in the text to summarize. And I'm going to run this module only and see what happens. So you can see this is the text to summarize, and perfect. This gives me a summary. Quick summary: the speaker urges viewers to adopt AI automation in Make, highlighting productivity benefits, invites them to subscribe for a series on AI workflows, encourages comments about repetitive tasks they like automated, and thanks them for watching. Pretty good. I'm going to show you how to incorporate this module into real workflows. So in this scenario, we're using two instances, the Make AI Toolkit. So in this scenario, what we're doing is we're getting data from a webhook. This is where we start. And at the very end, we are either, we're splitting it into a router. So we're giving different modules according to certain conditions. But this part doesn't matter. I only want to explain what I'm doing in the Make AI Toolkit first and in the second Make AI Toolkit. So in the first Make AI Toolkit, I want to format this, the phone home. So one of the values of my webhook, in this case, the phone number, in this format. And I give the format clearly. In the second one of this scenario, I want to analyze this input. So this module over here, the Get Advertiser Credit History, which is a GET request. Again, that's a topic for a different video, so don't worry if you don't know what it is. But that gives us data. And if the input is none, an empty string or an empty list, I want it to return a 0. Otherwise, return the actual numeric value itself, no extra text, no quotes, just the number. So I'm going to show you what it gives you in the executions. So when we see and we go to history and we see a past execution of this scenario, I'm going to show you how the Make AI Toolkit processed this. So the first one, the phone number formatter. This was the input. I wanted this format, and it gave the output that I wanted. It gave the output in this format. The second one is Make AI Toolkit. So there was some data here, credit history, buyer ID, etc. And anyways, in this case, what I wanted was just a number with no extra text, etc. So there was a bunch of data in this module, as you can see here. And all I care was the total balance, the 200. And that's exactly what it did. So in the answer, 200 only. No extra text, etc. So this is pretty good. I'm satisfied with both answers. So I'm in a different make scenario now, and we're using the Make AI Toolkit 3 times. I'm going to explain. The first time, we're using the Make AI Toolkit to format today's date like year YYYY-MM-date day. So that's year, month, date. Then in the second one, we're using the Make AI Toolkit to add 7 days from now to today's date and format the output like year, month, date. And then the third one, I want to format this phone number, the phone number from the webhook, which is the first step, into this format. +1, number, dash, number, dash, number. So let's go to the make scenario executions and let's see if we're satisfied with the outputs. So we can go here to the history. We can see here the first Make AI Toolkit. It format the date, which was yesterday. Yeah, it formatted properly, year, month, date. That was perfect. The second one, it was adding 7 days. So it had 14 plus 7, it's 21. So this is good. This is a perfect execution. And the third one, it's format this phone number in this format. And it did. It added the respective dashes. So I just show you in this video 5 ways, I mean more than 5 ways, but just 5 examples, 5 real world examples of the Make AI Toolkit in working scenarios. So if this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of this.